Hi, I'm very glad that you are watching this video. Now, we can cook delicious mushrooms together. We will cook one very tasty and unusual type of mushrooms, which is called stone mushrooms or scientifically porcini mushrooms. As you can see in the video, this type of mushrooms has a very thick mushroom leg. It is very fleshy and the cap is small but also has a specific taste. First, to begin with, always inspect all products before cooking. I am now showing that the mushrooms has no defects. Its head is very white and there is no dirt. And there is nothing superfluous on its leg. The mushroom should be a beautiful color without pronounced spots and approximately the same color you see in this video. I know, it looks very awesome and amazing. Let's have a little look. But before preparing food from mushrooms, be sure to make sure that you do not have any allergies to mushrooms and that these mushrooms were bought in supermarket and they are not poisons. This is very important. Please check it. After you are sure that you can eat mushrooms and they are not poisons for you, then you can proceed to the next step. So, please check under the cup of mushrooms that they not have any parasites, organisms or insects. That is also very important, and please check it very carefully. After the mushrooms have been checked, you can put them in a small saucepan, and then these mushrooms need to be washed very well under water. Please not with hot water, but with cold water. It is also important that the mushrooms retain their taste and aroma, but you need to wash very carefully. I have for you one little life hack. Maybe you don't know, but if you illuminate the mushrooms with such light or ultraviolet light, you can better see if there is something extra on the mushrooms or are dirty. Good job! So, my mushrooms are very clear. And now to cook these mushrooms you need to cut them. But please, not very finely cut the leg. We cut into such rings and the cap of the mushroom we cut large. It is better to divide only into 4 parts, no more. So, this is also done. Let's move on to the next step. After we cut the mushrooms, put them in a saucepan. And on top you need to salt well and beautifully to make it tasty. After a little salt, put water in a saucepan, and only after that we will need a whole lemon and cut it in half, and also squeeze the lemon juice in the saucepan beautifully. This will give a very pleasant taste. For next step, we need a whole onion that needs to be cut in half, and then, in this way, we carefully cut the onion. We comply with all safety rules. We are in no hurry, as in the video. Very carefully. Then you need to cover the saucepan and you need to cook these mushrooms on a very fast fire. Bring to a boil, but not for longer than 3 or 5 minutes. In the next step, we need to put all onions in the saucepan, but again very carefully, because this water is very hot. After that, you need again to bring to a boil and cover with a lid for no longer than 3 minutes to preserve the taste of the mushrooms. We also need a bay leaf. We put only one, so that the taste of the mushrooms has priority and the aroma of the bay leaf could not saturate the aroma of the mushrooms. Very good. Then you will need black pepper with peas, which we will also crush beautifully so that the taste is richer. So like in this video. This crushed black pepper is also put in a saucepan with mushrooms to give a little pepper taste. All this should be cooked for no longer than 20-30 minutes to preserve the maximum taste of mushrooms. Then remove the pan from the stove and leave the mushrooms to cool. It is best to do this with the help of such a sieve, like in this video. After that we cooked the mushrooms, you can almost eat them. They are really tasty and have a very interesting flavor, but they can also be served with any dish. For example, spaghetti pasta or even meat. Everything to taste. Also, if you want, you can add some green herbs like parsley. So, how you can see, we finished. And thank you for watching and for your attention. Bon appetit and see you soon in the next video.